Compass Architecture Design is an architecture and design magazine born in UAE, in Dubai in particular, in 2008. Now, since 2008, the magazine has become more a platform, aware that the communication has changed. And so we have decided with Ivan and Emma to introduce a new format. Good morning, everyone. I am Marco Ferretti. I'm one of the publishers of Compass Architecture and Design magazine. Ivan and Emma are two friends. They are based in UAE. They are academics in Ajman University as lecturer in design. They are very well known and they very well know the context of the Gulf area.
Remember when we came to UAE the first time, everyone in Europe was saying, why are you going? What is bringing you to UAE? Because yes, there were many things going on, but there was not much perception from Europe, I have to say, right? But of course, in the last and in the recent years, everyone wants to come to UAE, but at that time, it wasn't that. It wasn't that easy to understand what was going on. And I think that you did a great job to come and explore and tell others what was going on.
What is interesting in your path is that you have shifted from product design, interior product design, to an entire environment like the Majlis or also artistic design like Origin, and then somehow you have also shifted to some activities that are very interesting from my point of view, like in smart fabrics. And I know that you also won a very prestigious prize from Lexus Toyota Group a few years ago.
We heard about the competition organized annually by Lexus, and we were having this collective called Caravan, in which me, Ivan, and other colleagues like Shamil Mohammed, we were working, and we did several projects for Sika, and we had some art installation. And when we heard about this competition, which theme was Senses, we somehow tried to explore different areas. And as young parents at that time, we came across difficulties that people are having through their senses. So we try to integrate therapies that usually are done or are applied in autism centers or in specific centers into daily garments.
If you consider that the symptoms are anxiety, augmented stress level, panic attack, so these are some symptoms that we all experience in a hectic, daily, busy urban lives.
I know that you even brought me in an interesting space. It was an accelerator of design. I remember Tashkeen, I think it was the name.
Many things have been done by the government as well to improve the sustainability aspect of any field, I would say. And from BIA, which is this, they do recycle trash and they produce recycled material out of it. By the way, the headquarters have been designed by Zaha Hadid, the architect.
No? It was covered in one of the issue of the Compass magazine.
Mm. And
so it's probably the third largest processing plant in the world. I think it's expressing the actual trend and the actual attention of some of the entities towards these thematics.
The Academy has grown a generation of local designers. I know some of them, Khalid Shafar is maybe the most popular, but there are others that are following behind, but they are very good also.
Definitely. And there are currently some young talents working on developing products through old craft, through traditional materials, and probably we're going through some of their work soon with our interviews.
Let me go to the last incredible project of the UAE, the Museum of the Future, which is along Sheikh Zayed Road in Dubai. How does it catch the new trends in the area? Is it something that we can discuss about? What do you think?
I think that you see this architecture which is unique. We can say, it's a sculptural piece that stands in Sheikh Zayed Road. And you suddenly see this ring with the calligraphy, and definitely it's going to have its very strong impact in the landscape.
In this forest of vertical high-rise building, suddenly you see this sort of donut with a hole in the middle. The curator was saying that it's the only feminine symbolic element at the architectural level in the city, where design has a great importance and a great role, not only from the decorative aspect, which was the most relevant in the Arabic tradition, but nowadays there is a new approach to design which is closer to our sensibility, to our European sensibility. So design as a tool to create value and to make things not only beautiful but even work better.